everyone.
The video shows two methods about how to use YiLu Proxy in Internet Explorer browser. Firstly, configure YiLu Proxy settings as shown video.
Then drag Internet Explorer into the Program tab. Then right-click an IP and connect. The green point means the proxy connection is successful. Right-click the application and run it. Then enter iplocation.com to check the IP address. The IP is consistent with the connected IP in YiLu Proxy. The other method is to set in Internet Explorer. Click the settings icon.
Enter Internet options.
Click Connections.
Click LAN settings.
Use a proxy server. Here is using HTTP protocol.
YiLu Proxy Dynamic IPS support HTTP and SOCKS5 protocols.
Select a location. Refresh. Right-click an IP and select a port, 5500.
Select bypass proxy server for local addresses.
Click OK. Setting the proxy here is the same as setting the proxy in the system settings. Then refresh the web page and check IP address again.
You can see that the location of the IP is consistent with the selected location in YiLu Proxy. Okay, the video is over.
Thank you for watching and subscribing.